Take command of the road in the 2011 Ford Edge. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, rear wipers, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.